Hello and welcome to Lesson 1. Lesson 1 is putting things in the right order or in the correct order. This is really important. It's important because when lawyers write, they often put things in the wrong order, or they add in lots of extra information which we don't need. And this is why people complain about why and how lawyers write. Normal people or lay people, people who haven't studied law, they write in a much simpler way and they put things in the correct order. They create different sentences and they communicate simple messages in those sentences. If lawyers wrote like that, it would be a lot easier to read legal writing. For example, a lay person might say, I went to the meeting with the shareholders. This is a simple message, it's very easy to understand, it is still professional, it is still businesslike, it is still legal. However, a lawyer might say, the meeting which took place last night with the shareholders was attended by several people, of which I was present. You can see the difference, can't you? Can you see the extra information in bold, which took place last night and by several people? We don't need to know this information, at least not in this sentence. Can you have a look at the information which is underlined? The meeting was attended, I was present. This is in the wrong order. Look again at how a layperson would write. I went to the meeting with the shareholders, not the meeting was attended, I was present. And you can see how lawyers write in the wrong order. When lawyers write like this, it is a lot harder for the reader to read. The reader has to do more work to understand what is the main message. And if a reader has to try too hard to understand, then the reader wastes time and then becomes angry. If you write like that, your clients or your readers will waste time and become angry. Is that what you want from your writing? Or do you want to write in a simple, clear, professional way? If you do, then get into the habit of writing and put things into the correct order. Okay, so the active voice is a natural, normal way to communicate. It is a business professional way to communicate. Modern legal writing technique prefers that you use the active voice. If you go to law school in America or in the United Kingdom, they will ask you to use the active voice. If you have a look at how law is written now, law is written using the active voice. This is how you should write. Modern legal writing should use the active voice. Okay, now I want you to try some questions, and I want you to, for question number 1, put the words into the correct order. Have a look at the sentences, think about the order those words go in. For question number 2, I want you to practice your skills trying to understand difficult texts. Read the 3 messages the lawyer has written and try to redraft them, that is, rewrite them into the way a normal person, a lay person, would write. For example, a normal person wouldn't say, the meeting was attended by me. A normal person would say, I attended the meeting, or I went to the meeting. Okay, try the questions, and once you've tried the questions, have a look at the answer video below.